Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Froggy Plays, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a potion bottle in Roblox Studio. First, you need to add a spear, then you resize it. I want to make it not that big, not that small. And then you change the material to glass and make the not medium stone, sorry. Not grass, I mean glass. Then you change the color to this. What's the name? I don't know. Pastel light blue. Then you make the transparency to 0.7. After that, you add, I forgot, close toolbox. Here you add a cylinder, rotate it. Don't forget to set the rotation to 60 or 45. Then you move it to the middle. Oh yeah, don't forget to resize it. I'm just gonna resize the bottle. Here we go. Then this one just need to put in the middle. In the middle, I think so. There, right there, perfect. And then you scale it. Make it like this. Oh man, this is not in the middle. My bad. There we go. Now it's in the middle, perfect. And then you scale it a little bit more up. You make the color pastel light blue. Material glass. I keep mistaking that. Give me a second. Glass. There we go. Oh, whoopsie doodles. Let me just wait. No, that's not in the middle. More to the right, and transparency 0.7 again. After that, all you gotta do is add the tube. You can duplicate this, and then you resize it. Scale it. Do this much, and then you move it like over here, and then change the color to CGA brown. Change the material into wood. Oops, sorry. Wood. Transparency 0. After that, you scale it, and then you move it a little bit more down, and then you are done with the bottle. After that, duplicate this one, move it, resize it, scale it, change the color to purple, this one, change the material to concrete, change the transparency to 0, and then you move it back in, and you're done. Let me make it in the middle to make it good. And then you're done. Easy. Ooh. Yeah, this is in the middle, alright. Yeah, this is in the middle. So this is how you make a potion bottle in Roblox Studio. All you gotta do is group them, pick apart, hold shift, click, and then you can use Control G, Command G, and then you're done. Don't forget to anchor it. Model, anchor. You're done. Let me just play it to show you. Oh yeah, and don't forget to rename it to potion bottle if you want to upload it. So this is the potion bottle. You can resize it because it's too big. So yeah, we're done. That's how you make a potion bottle in Roblox Studio. Easy. What is that? What the? All you gotta do now is rename it potion bottle. Oops. Potion bottle. And publish to Roblox. But I already published it, so I don't need to publish again. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoy it, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, make that subscribe button from red into gray. Hit that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one.